guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video on how to make $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing, as part of the series, we're going to be talking about how to clean your email list. What does this mean? This is part of a two-step process that I'm following to show you and document exactly the journey of how to get to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. I do have a full-time job, guys. I'm doing this as a side hustle, and I'm using this YouTube channel to show you how you can use and utilize the skill sets that are needed to build an affiliate marketing business online. So if that's interesting to you, then stay tuned because I'm going to hop on my computer and share with you much more. Okay, guys, I'm back. Welcome again. Once again, as I said, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be looking at email deliverability, how to clean your email list as part of the strategy. This is also going to be in the playlist, but if you want to know the two-step strategy, as you can see, the full formula is on the screen. This is all that I'm following to reach $1,000 per month. We're going to keep it simple. Once everything is simple, then you can scale it up as much as you want. But I wanted to show you, I wanted to create this series specifically for everybody who is struggling to make money with a consistent income with affiliate marketing. So let me share with you a little bit about my story, guys. I've been online for some time. I've had my results. I scrapped everything. I took out everything in March this year. In 2023, and I just said, you know what, let's go ahead and show you guys that it is possible, even though I do have a full-time job and I have a 9-to-5 job, how to do this on the side, but a very strategic approach. When I say very strategic approach, is almost surgical in a way. Why? Because I've made my mistakes online, because I've been online for such a long time, and I've made my mistakes. I've got my wins and I've got my failures. I knew exactly what I needed to stay away from, and I knew exactly what I needed, in which direction I needed to go. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys, or the first thing that I wanted to create for myself more than anything else, as you know, is cash flow. Why am I saying this? This is a fundamental part of my step-by-step process, because creating that cash flow meant I want to have minimum expense, initial expense, and I want to be able to spend 15 to 20 minutes a day. That's it, to be able to generate that cash flow initially. And then I want to invest that cash flow that I got into paid advertising. So into cold advertising or cold traffic. Why? Because I do have a 9-to-5 job. I want to have this as a side hustle. I want to know that in an hour a day, I can actually do this. And then after that, after things get momentum, which it might take for you less time than it took for me, it might take even more time. I cannot guarantee you any results, but I would say at least try this strategy for a year before saying anything else, because it does take time to build up momentum. I personally follow the cash flow for the first 3 months. In the 4th and 5th month, I'm already on step 2. And as I'm documenting step 2, let's see when we reach that $1,000 per month. It might take a year. It might take 8 months. It might take 9 months. I don't know when we're going to be reaching that. But obviously, when we do, that will be at least a baseline for you guys to see that even though I knew what I was doing, it took me this amount of time to be able to get those results. So it might take you less or more. It depends. It's really your journey that you're looking for. The important thing for me is to impart the skill sets that are there for affiliate marketing. So this is phase 1, as I call it. And phase 1 is going to be teaching you skill sets purely on affiliate marketing. Guys, if you like what I've said so far, if you like the strategy and the formula that I'm seeing and the transparency that I am documenting on this channel, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified firstly for future videos. I post 3 videos a week, so you will get access to that, and you can come and watch them and see and follow along if you want to follow along with the series. And in the description, there's also going to be 2 playlists. One is to Systeme.io, which is the tool that I use to create this whole automated funnel for myself. And you can even get that free funnel to you if you join the email list that you can see in the description of this video. And also there's going to be a second playlist to how to get $1,000 per month, which you can follow along or decide what to do with it. But this is the formula. So there are 2 steps. I'm keeping it that simple that there are 2 steps. Step 1, cash flow. Step 2 is automation in the sales process. So we're using a tool called Systeme.io, which is completely for free, by the way. Let me just share that with you right away. It is completely for free to get started, and you can collect up to 2,000 email addresses or contacts. And then only after that 2,000, if you want to continue using it and keep collecting, then you pay $27 a month for that to happen. You do not need to give your credit card initially, so don't worry about that. It's purely free. If you want to continue using it for the rest of your life for free and keep it to a list of 2000, that's really up to you. I can't say anything, but this is a tool that has everything, a business in a box for me. It really has everything that I need for my business, for my affiliate marketing journey, all here. So I would highly suggest to take a look at the tool. It's going to be the first link in the description, so check that out there. And I will also leave a link to the startup annual plan in case you want to get the startup annual plan. I don't know who's going to be watching this video, so I'm going to keep those options available, free and startup, in case you want. Let's go ahead and share with you the strategy. So this whole process of landing page to a bridge page to an offer, all is created with a tool called Systeme.io, and it automates my business. So I don't have to continue. I don't have to take people through that sales process. That's the first thing that it does for me. The second thing that it does for me, it's collecting my emails, and then it's automating even the emails. So when people come to this page, they put in their email address, which is, as you can see right here, they put in the email address, and that email address, basically I'm sending them back to this page. So the next step in the sales process is for them to go to this page where they get a training. When they enter the email address, I send them back here to this page in case they haven't seen that training. So at least they start off always at the same point where they left off. So that congruency needed to be there. The second thing that I wanted to share with you specifically, that I said this before, that I'm using this with cold traffic. I'm not using this with warm traffic. I'm not using this with, let's say, for you to have a warm list of people to make sales and stuff like that. Social media is used a lot. YouTube videos are used a lot. Why? Because you're building that know, like, and trust. You're watching this person for 6 months, and then you decide to buy what they are marketing, right? So it's the 6 months before that has gone in you doing your own due diligence on the person that is talking or you're following, and so on and so forth. So you're building that warm relationship. And when you share a high ticket product or specific products like that with those kind of audiences, you do it on a more personal basis. So think about it in real life as well. At the end of the day, we're all people. So that's why marketing is a psychology behind it. And when you think of it like that, and you know it's a warm market, then okay, you realize that that is one strategy that you can use. And you can still continue to use that strategy, don't get me wrong. But this whole step 1 and step 2 is purely for cold advertising. That means Google Pay, Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, pay-per-click ads, you name it. All of the kind of advertising is cold traffic, people who don't know you. And that is definitely scalable, but that needs an expenditure. And it also means that you need to clean your list quite often, because when you collect email addresses that are not responsive, you can harm yourself and harm your list. That's just how it is. Now, obviously, some marketers out there, actually, guys, will be telling you that they never delete anybody from their list, which is fine. But think about the storage. I just want to give you an idea. Okay, just to give you an idea with Systeme.io. Systeme.io is one of the cheapest tools out there, and the best amount of storage, in my opinion, that you're getting for your money, which is basically you're not spending anything, and you can have up to 2000 emails, that 2000 contacts. That is something that you do not get in ClickFunnels. That's something that you don't get in Lead Pages. That's something that you don't get in GetResponse, in Aweber, which are autoresponders and are supposed to do that, right? They charge a minimum fee on a monthly basis, and then it keeps growing. So that fee can keep growing for you. Here, you know that maximum you're going to spend $97 a month. If you have a list of 10,000 and more, so 10,000, or you have a 10,001, or you have a list of 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, doesn't matter. You're still going to pay only 97. And that's the beauty of what I see here. Okay, that's the cost wise, it's definitely money for cost efficient, first and foremost. Secondly, you have up to 2,000 contacts that you can get, and you don't have to spend any money. So that is very crucial, in my opinion, because it means that I can improve my list of 2,000 people to be responsive to me. It doesn't have to be that my leads are not responsive. If I'm doing cold traffic, I'm sending the people who are not, opening my emails out. I'm sending the people, I'm making my list as responsive as possible. Is that going to take me then more time for me to reach that 2000 mark? Maybe so, but at least you have a quality list that you are interacting with, that you are able to get responses with. That means we'll click your emails, we'll open your emails, we'll have a discussion with you, even by email. So this is really important. Throw out the people who are not important and keep the people who are. That's just what I think more than anything else. So great. That is the topic of this video. So we're going to talk about exactly how to clean your list. So as I said, I'm using Systeme.io to collect my emails. And as you can see right here, if I sign in, you'll see that in the last 30 days, there's about 255 leads that I've got. Every day I get about 10 9 to 10 leads, and those are email address. Basically all those email addresses go to this campaign right here. It's a 38-day campaign, so they go through it and it's converting pretty well. Everything is above 10%, but the first email, for example, is at 23%, which is very good open rate and click-through rate. So this is something that I'm monitoring and giving time. You have to give it time because it's 38 days, so it's almost 2 months worth of emails that they're getting one after the other. So I need to be patient, and this is something that I need to practice way more, right? So that's the emails right here. You can go to statistics and newsletter, everything is right here. But the contacts get added to, when you go to the email address, Systeme.io works this way that the contacts get added to also tags. You can tag each contact that comes to the page. So when you tag each contact that comes to the page, they go to a specific list, as I call it. So for example, this is the list that I have, AC funnel, which I know what it means, but AC funnel, basically, I had a total of 679 people actually. But if I go to contacts, you will see that I have only 496. Why? Because I'm cleaning my list regularly. I'm not reached the 2000. I'm using it completely for free and I'm cleaning my list. So today, what I'm going to do right now with you, I'm going to clean my list just for a couple of days because I've already done it, I think up to the 20th of May. And what we want to look at, what are the things we want to look at when it comes to cleaning your list? So these are the filters that you see right here, right? You see email, first name, last name. I'm not collecting first name, last name, so I will not have this information. Depends on the form. I'm only collecting an email address. If you scroll down, you'll see right here, there's tag. So if you have multiple tags, you can choose which tag, but you can see I have only one tag. So that's fine. I don't need to click on this, but we can, just to keep things as simple, just to show you how it works. Okay, and now it will filter out basically for tags, but it should show for 86 because I have just one tag. Then I'll have your date added, and if I click on this, you'll see that it says on, and if you click the arrow right here, it says on or after, on or before. Now, because I'm cleaning my oldest leads, and I'm doing this quite regularly, I'm cleaning my oldest leads. I'm going to do on that date, which I'm going to choose right now, or before. So let's go on or before, and let's choose a date. So what I'm going to do is, you can see I'm shooting this video on July 18th. You will see this video most probably in August, but I'm shooting this video on July 18th because I'm going to be traveling in August. So I definitely wanted to shoot this video before, but it doesn't matter. It's as long as the training is there for you guys. So if I go back and I want to go to May, and I know that I've done my cleaning up to the 20th of May. So let's do this, and I'm going to go to added. Any contacts that were added on the 25th or before. Actually, let me do this. Yeah, 25th of May or before. On the 25th of May or before. So let's click that. And now it will filter. And you can see now there were 55 contacts that were added either on the 25th of May, 25th? Yeah, 25th of May or before. So you can actually see this. It says 22nd, 18th, 18th, so on. If I make it just more, you'll see how is 18th, 17th, some emails on the 17th, some emails on the 14th, some emails on the 12th. So these are emails added. Now, obviously, I don't want to delete all of these emails because this is just people who are added. I don't know whether they've opened my emails or clicked on my links and so on and so forth, right, of the emails. So I go scroll down further and you see a different tag right here, which says email activity. So no email opens or click since, and that's what I'm going to put the same date as when they were added. So I know that at least since that day, there's been no clicks. So that means since the 25th. And as you can see, I have nobody since that day. So right now I have, that means everybody is at least till that day. Whoever's before that has already gone away from my list. But just to be a little more congruent and like kind of help you guys out, I'm going to go to the 31st. And what we'll do is we'll just kind of clean everything till the 31st of May. So let's do that. But apparently even 31st, I don't have anybody. So what do we do, guys? I want to show you guys how to do it. So let's go to June on or before, and let's do 5th of June. Okay, or let's do 7th of June so that I know 7th of June, which is a month ago. So I'm cleaning. I'm very happy to see that my list is pretty responsive. This is already a good thing. Great. This is actually giving me results. So the 30 of, yeah, so you can see all 30 are here. So these are 30 people who from the 7th of June have not clicked on my link. And I don't want to clean them right now because, to be honest, I want them to be on my list for some time more. I will come to 7th of June most probably by the time you guys are watching this video in August, but I don't want to clean them right now. I think I should give them that much space. But these are basically people since the 7th of June So for a month, none of these have opened my emails or clicked on my email. So is it worth keeping them on my email list? In my opinion, no. Okay, personally for me, no. So what I can do is simply, I will delete a couple. Okay, so let's just click on these two and I'm going to just say delete confirm, and these contacts will be removed. That's it. I've deleted now 2 of them, and now there will be 28. So if I refresh this page, just to show you, it will show 28 here because 2 email contacts will be deleted. So 2 of the email contacts are deleted. And this is one way of cleaning your list. This is for the inactive people. That's the first thing. The second way of cleaning a list, which I think you should also be doing pretty regularly, is contact state. So if you click on contact state, you can select active, unsubscribed, bounced, has not made one payment. So if you have an offer, these are applicable. I don't have an offer specifically using the payment gateway in Systeme.io, so this is not kind of applicable to me. But I want to see that there are no bounced emails. So I'm going to click on bounced. Bounced emails are basically emails that do not make it to the inbox, or the email address is wrong. So those are bounced emails. That means Systeme.io has tried to send an email, but it came back. So you can delete. I don't have any bounce emails. So this should always be clean, guys. And then secondly, unsubscribe, that you can check again. I have none who have unsubscribed, but you can always delete the unsubscribe because you don't want the unnecessary people. So these are 2 contact states that you should delete. And this is all that I wanted to share with you in this video. This way you are keeping your emails, your email addresses and contacts to the best. You're increasing your deliverability. So it means more people are receiving your emails in your inbox, and your list is kind of a responsive list. It should be a responsive list. And I'm pretty happy with the kind of list that I have, because I have like basically cleaned around 200 contacts from all the ones that have come through. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I will continue to do this every few weeks. It's personally what I do. I wait 4 to 6 weeks before I clean everything, just because of the kind of email series that I have, which is 38 days. So it's around a little more than, it's around 6 weeks. So I'm just waiting for those 6 to 7 weeks. And then I start to clean up and delete the emails that are not, or the contacts that are not valuable. So I hope this guys gave you this video gave you guys a nice training on this topic, and I love making these kind of videos. It's a little more technical, maybe that's why I like making these videos, I don't know. But I hope you guys got value from it. I hope you learned from it. It's pretty easy to use this tool, and I will be sharing much more in the future. So feel free to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified for all the future videos I post on Systeme.io. And once again, if you want to follow the 2-step strategy that I have right here, the 2-step strategy is in the description of this video. You can find the playlist to how to make $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing, and that's going to help you with this strategy. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next one.